everyone, your Mama Betchay here and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa aking channel, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell because I will be posting new videos weekly. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to process our Lazada orders in Lazada Seller Center. We are using a desktop, which is also applicable kung laptop ang ginagamit nyo. This will be our part 7 ng ating Lazada tutorial series. So part 1 to 6 is in my channel. Please feel free to watch. In our part 1 and 2 series, we're able to create a new account with Lazada, which is yung 99 Store PH. Dahil sa busy pa po ako, I have not uploaded more products yet sa shop na yun. So it is expected na wala talagang papasok na orders. So, para maipakita ko how to process a Lazada orders, I'm going to show you a live account. This is one of the shops that I manage, so please watch and learn. Before we proceed, by the way, just a quick tip. Ito, I'm going to show you, in printing your orders, you may use a 216 by 279 mm sheet, which is equivalent to 8.5 by 11 inches na bond paper, and cut it into 4. Ayan, diba? Titiklopin nyo lang, or if you have a cutter, you can use your cutter and cut it into 4. This way kasi, mas matipid siya. And let me also share to you yung printer na ginagamit ko. I'm using a Canon IP2770 for printing. Meron din akong 2 additional printers, isang brother and another Canon. But today, we are going to print our orders with this one, yung Canon IP2770. If you're going to ask me, durability-wise, okay naman po yung printer na to. Just have to maintain in replacing the cartridge. Kasi depende po yan sa dami ng piniprint nyo, sa dami ng orders. So, mas maraming napiprint, mas aksaya siya ng cartridge. Okay? So, let us now pay attention to the screen. There. First, you launch the Google Chrome as your browser. Proceed to the URL section and then type sellercenter.lazada.com.ph. You may want to bookmark that URL since yan po yung official na Lazada Seller Center page. And then log in using the email address and password that we registered. To your right is the message center. Dito yung mga updates for new orders, kung na-ship na ba, or kinancel ni customer and so on. And then let's just scroll down. Silipin lang natin yung ibang mga features dito. If you have questions about these features, just feel free to comment down below. And sa taas, ito yung different tabs, products, orders, promotions, and so on. And in processing your orders, of course, we have to go to the order tab and then click the manage orders. Okay? Ayan siya. And of course, another tabs ulit. We have pending, ready to ship, shipped, and completed. Okay? Of course, pag pumapasok yung orders, it will go straight sa pending tab. So right now, we have 3 orders. Ayan. And ito yung details ng mga orders. We have here the actions. Kung printed na ba siya, naka-X siya. Later on, mag-change ang status niyan into check mark. And then we have the actions, ready to ship. And cancel, we have the status, the retail price, the payment method, order date, order type, and yung order number. Okay? And then we also have here chat options. So in here, you can chat the customers if you have clarifications on their orders or if they have concerns with sizing and so on. Okay? Ayan siya. And naka-pending siya dahil hindi pa natin siya na-ready to ship. Okay? As soon as ma-ready to ship natin, automatic siyang mag-change yung status to ready to ship. Okay? Then completed. Yan yung mga items na na-deliver na. And so on. Okay? And in printing your waybill, this is what you're going to do. Just select print. And i-click lang po natin yung print shipping label for selected items. So, sinelect po natin yung tatlo. Nakikita nyo sa kaliwa, yung may mga tick box dyan, naka-check. Okay, and then eto na yung printer settings natin. Of course, we are going to change yung settings or setup ng ating printer dahil nga po gusto natin makatipid at hinati natin into 4. So, we are going to change yung setup niya. Okay, the copies ng waybill, it should be 2 copies. Yan yung ini-insert natin sa pouch. Or kung sticker kayo, yan yung dinidikit sa mga boxes. The layout will be portrait. The color would be black and white. Okay, para mas tipid. And let's just click on more settings. So, paper size. Select natin yung COM END number 10. Okay. And then, pages per sheet, leave it as it is. What we're going to change is just the margins. Yung margins niya, naka-default siya. But sa setup ng ating bond paper, isa-set natin siya into minimum. Ayan. Ayan, may preview sa right. Makikita nyo yung changes. And the scale, of course, para magkasya siya sa dun sa 1/4 paper, we're going to change it to 85. So, click nyo lang yung scroll down na yan. And we are all set to print our waybill. Okay, so tingnan nyo na lang po yung screen for reference. Okay, when you are all set to print, just select print. Okay, and then I'm going to insert a video of the printer na nagpre-print ng ating waybill. Okay, sa waybill natin, naka-indicate dyan yung customer name, order number, kailan siya in-shinit, kailan siya in-order, and of course, the payment options. Okay? And just a reminder, make sure na yung printout ng barcode natin is very clear. Kasi, usually, nangyayari pag hindi siya readable ng scanner, magkakaroon pa ng delay dun sa orders ni customers, in which we don't want that to happen. Okay? So, readable dapat siya kung nagda-drop off kayo sa mga drop-off points. Pag-scan ng staff doon, mas mabilis. And kung meron mang nagpipick up sa inyo, mas mabilis din nilang sinasabi nilang mabaril or ma-scan yung ating barcodes. Okay? Ayan. Alright. So, ganun lang siya kabilis. Again, paulit-ulit ko sinasabi, if you have questions, just feel free to comment down below. I'll try my best na masagot ko po yan lahat ng inyong mga katanungan. Okay. So, ganun lang po siya. And, pag tapos na lahat-lahat, pag na-print yun na lahat-lahat, just click on done. Wag po nating kakaligtaan. Ayan, naka-check mark na po siya. Kanina, kung napansin nyo, naka-X siya. And please don't forget to change the status, yung action niya, to ready to ship. Ayan, dapat naka-ready to ship po siya. Ayan, for your reference lang po, ayan, there are 2 ways in putting it to ready to ship. You just click on set status, ready to ship, or yung dito sa action sa kanan banda, just click on ready to ship. Okay, bakit po importante yan? Pag hindi po naka-ready to ship yung orders at din-wrap off nyo yan o pinick up yan ni Lazada, hindi po siya masascan, hindi siya mababaril kasi nasa pending status pa siya. So, see, yung tatlong pending kanina, after natin sinet to ready to ship, ayan na siya. Automatic naman siyang papasok sa ready to ship na tab. Then, just an FYI, meron tayong ship on time SLA with Lazada. We are given at least 3 days to process all of our orders. So, before 3 days, dapat na-drop off nyo na or na-pick up nyo na yan kay Lazada, or else, automatic po siyang kinakancel ni Lazada system pag hindi natin siya na-process on time. So, that would be a bad experience kay customers, magpapababa din ng ating rating. Kasi as soon as ma-cancel yung order, customers has the option to rate your shop, and of course that will affect also your seller score. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you learned another tutorial today. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, paki-subscribe, paki-like, and paki-click that bell notification, because I will be posting new videos weekly. Thank you so much, and you have a great day. Maulan po for the past few days. Mag-ingat po tayo, and God bless po sa ating